I just found a nice little treat in the wiring. This box down here I've just put in here, and I've tied it in place with a cable tie, which I'm going to tighten up. That's for the reversing sensors. I was looking at where that's attaching, and there's various sort of connections. There's a little sounder up here for it, so it makes a high-pitched whine when you're reversing. It obviously makes beeping noises too. But then I noticed that, ignoring that for a moment, there's a connection on here, and a connection on here, and a connection on here, and a connection on there. 4 connections with tape on them, and the ends have been cut off. It's almost like this was for a trailer, a tow bar hitch lamp or something, and someone's just cut them out. I'm curious now, of course, whether they're actually soldered or twisted or quite what. So I'm actually going to just open these up if I can and get the end of the tape on. One open. Actually, on my thumbnails are it. Just peel that tape off. There we go. All different colours in here, of course, which is fine. You might expect that with a trailer bar, but what you don't expect is people to just cut the thing out and then leave the ends. It's not very clever. Okay, so what I'm seeing here is 2 soldered joints. This is good because it means that I can just cut off these tails and tape it back up again and protect it. But I think it's really important that people know that that isn't good enough. We don't leave wires hanging out of tape top bits. It really is poor. So yeah, if you see anything like that, do fix it. Not as it should be. Quite close to the connector as well, so they're quite hard to tape, which is a pain. Okay, to start point, the better way probably would be to cut this, put some heat shrink on it, push that up, resolder it, pull the heat shrink back, heat it, and then so that it's properly covered by a heat shrunk cover. I'm going to put some more tape around this. I'm going to tape the others as well and make sure they're properly insulated. But just something to be aware of. Another thing about this car that was hidden away. It's all good fun. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, give it a like, give us a comment in the chat. Thanks, bye.